Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. I am excited to present SpecForge, a distributor you deal with thousands of products arriving with almost zero data, just a part number and a messy description. Manually looking up the specs take 15 minutes per product. So I built SpecForge to completely automate this system. It's an AI powered pipeline that turns bare bones input into commerce ready, verified product intelligence without ever hallucinating. So I have deployed it onto Streamlight. Let's look at the actual problem here. What a distributor receives one line, a part number, co-op brand code, and a messy description. If a distributor just throws this at a standard LLM, it guesses. In my testing, a naive LLM completely hallucinated 15% of the specs. If a customer buys a dishwasher based on hallucinated dimensions, they return the product and you lose money. So the solution here is that exact same product run through SpecForge. It is now a complete record, but notice the most important part, the source column. SpecForge uses a deterministic first cascade. Uses zero cost tools to extract what it can for what's missing. It autonomously retrieves the manufacturer's spec sheet and uses Gemini to read it. It is strictly forbidden from guessing. It must quote the exact phrase from documentation. If it can't find proof, it leaves the field blank for human review. It never silently fails. When comparing LLM prompt to Spec 4 side by side, the difference is night and day. I evaluated this on curated ground truth dataset of 15 complex spec fields. The naive LLM had an exact 8% match rate and invented specs 15% of the time. Spec 4 hit 100% exact match accuracy. Every single field was perfectly extracted and sourced. Zero fabrication, zero fields required manually fixing. Because I built this as a deterministic cascade rather than a brute force AI wrapper, it is incredibly cheap and highly scalable for enterprise catalogs. It processes asynchronously, handles any manufacturer websites or PDF dynamically using FAISS vector embeddings and outputs directly into Unilog's required delivery format. So, in summary, SpecForge eliminates manual data entry and prevents costly purchasing errors by ensuring every single specification is backed by a verifiable fact. Thank you for your time. Today, as a solo developer on this project, I am really proud of this architecture and I would love to answer any questions you have.